Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Nokia in India, the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So this is probably the global launch of Nokia 3.1 Plus, and this is happening in India, and this device comes with quite decent specifications, and this should be priced lower than the Nokia 5.1 Plus for two reasons. One is the numbering is lower, and the specification also is slightly lower when compared to the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So in this video we'll talk about the device, we'll mention the specifications, we'll see the camera and other aspects of the device. So as usual, the device is under the Android 1 platform. So let's get started. So this is the Nokia 3.1 Plus, and we can see the specifications mentioned here. It has a 6-inch HD plus resolution display, 18:9 aspect ratio. This does not come with a notch, and hence it is not a 19:9 aspect ratio. It has dual camera setup, 13 and 5 megapixel dual rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and a 3500 mAh capacity battery and a fingerprint sensor, and it is powered by an octa-core chipset. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset. The Helio P22 is a relatively newer chipset which was announced in May 2018. So that's a newer chipset, and we'll talk about that later in our detailed review. So this is the device. So the pricing we don't know as of now. So the box pack mentions pricing as 12,799, but the pricing should be around 9,999. That's what we are expecting. Around 10k should be the pricing, because it should be priced lower than the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So in all probability this could be around 9,999 pricing. So we'll get to know on the 11th of October when the device will be formally announced. So now let's get started. So opening up the box, so you can see the Nokia 3.1 Plus on the top. So let's just take this out. So there you go. So unlike the Nokia 6.1 Plus and 5.1 Plus, this is made of metal and it feels really good. You can see the matte finish metallic construction. We have a dual camera setup, LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, the Nokia branding, and Android 1 platform mentioned here. Now on the right side we have the power and volume keys. Bottom panel houses the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit, and on the left side we have the SIM tray. So there is two slots available. So let's just see if there is a dedicated SD card slot available. So let's just take this out. So you can see that one slot has a SIM card and an SD card support, and probably the other one should have a SIM card as well. So it has a dedicated SD card slot available. So you can see that this is the second SIM card. So that's pretty good. It has a dedicated SD card slot available, and at the top we have the 3.5mm audio jack included. So design wise, this device looks pretty good. It's a larger display, 6 inches in screen size. And on the front panel we have the Nokia branding, the front facing 8 megapixel camera, and there is no notch on this device, but the build quality looks pretty good. You can see solid metal construction included, and the fit and finish also looks pretty good. Now let's boot the device, and in the meantime let's see what else comes inside the box. So you can see that there is a SIM ejector pin included. Then we have the warranty and getting started guide included. Then you get the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating of the adapter. So you can see that 5 volt 2 amperes, so that's standard charging included, and then you also get the micro USB charging and data syncing cable, and finally we have basic quality earphones also bundled with this box. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So there you go. That's the Nokia 3.1 Plus with a large 6 inches HD plus resolution display. And you can see this has a stock Android and no other apps are supported. It's a pretty basic UI we have seen on the Nokia 5.1 Plus and also the 6.1 Plus. And if you go to system settings, you can see Android 8.1 Oreo, and it does support a few gestures. Otherwise it is more or less stock Android, no other changes included, and the software is upgradable to the latest version, and Nokia will be providing security updates. We have seen how Nokia has provided updates for the 6.1 Plus and also the 5.1 Plus. So that's pretty good from Nokia. So that's the software aspect. Now talking about the display, so this has an HD plus resolution display, and you can see the display quality actually looks pretty good. You can see that colors are quite okay, and because it's a larger display, the pixels per inch is slightly on the lower side. Also it's an HD plus resolution display, but overall display quality looks quite okay. Now this device comes with a dual camera setup. It has a 13 and 5 megapixel camera combination, and it has an LED flash and also an 8 megapixel front facing camera. So let's have a look at the interface. You can see that this is the new interface we are seeing on the Nokia devices. So with the Android Pie update, the Nokia interface, the camera interface basically has moved to 9.0, and we are seeing the 9.0 UI. You can see the live bokeh, manual mode, photo, video, slow motion is included. And if you go here, there's some settings, and watermark and other options are included. So those are the options supported, and this device supports video recording in 1080p resolution, and there are manual mode also included. So let's have a look at some of the samples we have taken with the Nokia 3.1 Plus. After unboxing the device, we'll also be posting the detailed camera review of the Nokia 3.1 Plus, so stay tuned for that. Now coming to the battery, the device has a 3500 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for more than a day of battery life, because of stock Android, and it's an HD plus resolution display. Even though it's a larger display, it's an HD plus resolution display. So we are expecting slightly above a day of battery life on this device. So we'll be testing the battery capacity and the performance later. So stay tuned for those videos. So this was the unboxing and hands-on of the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So in all probability, the device should be priced around 999. That's the pricing we expect on this device, but we'll get to know once the device is officially launched in India. So this is Dharmal signing off with unboxing of the Nokia 3.1 Plus. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.